Our final substance that we'll be testing today is paraffin wax. We have the exact same setup that we've had before, except we've needed to raise it up a little because our paraffin wax candle is tall. So I've already added 25 milliliters of fresh water to the container. So let's take a look and see what the initial temperature is. It does not appear to be moving, so go ahead and record that temperature as your initial temperature. And then we'll measure the initial mass of the paraffin wax. I'll ignite the candle, and once ignited, we'll start the 1-minute countdown timer. At the end of 1 minute, we'll extinguish the candle and we'll look for the highest temperature reached. Candle's been ignited. One minute has elapsed, so I'll remove the candle, blow it out, and then we'll look for the highest temperature reached. And then we'll take the final mass of the paraffin wax. And then we'll set up for trial 2. Okay, I'll add 25 milliliters of fresh water, and we'll take the initial temperature. I'll just do a quick check and make sure that my thermometer is not touching the sides or bottom. There we go. And we'll take the initial temperature. We'll take the initial mass of the paraffin wax, which should be the same as the ending mass of trial 1, but just to be sure, we'll place it on the scale. All right, I'll ignite the candle, let it burn for 1 minute, and then we'll read the highest temperature. 1 minute has elapsed. I'll remove the candle, blow it out, and let's look for the highest temperature. Let's find the final mass for trial 2, paraffin wax. And now we'll set up for trial 3. We'll put in 25 milliliters of fresh water. And we'll look for the starting temperature. I'll check my placement of my thermometer. There we go. Turn that just a little bit so we can see it. Looks like it's dropping a little bit, so let's give it just a minute. All right, let's get the starting mass of our candle for trial 3. And I'll ignite it and start the countdown timer. One minute has elapsed. I'll blow out the candle and we'll look for the highest temperature reached. And now we'll find the final mass of the paraffin wax. And that concludes trial 3 for paraffin wax.